727, please go ahead. Janapriya.
Yeah, you're able to hear me, right, sir?
Yes, yes, please.
Yeah, let me share my screen. Just a second. So you're able to see my screen, right?
No, no, no. Okay, okay. Okay.
No?
Start your presentation.
Okay. You're able
Go to
to see, right?
PPT. Yes, yes.
Okay, so my project is basically predicting the survival outcomes of the heart failure patients using the machine learning techniques. This is a topic which I have chosen, and I've just taken the data set containing the 299 patient records with 13 clinical attributes. There is no missing values. That's a clean data set. So I performed exploratory data analysis of using the various visualization to understand the data sets. I just show you the visual report as well. Just give me a second. Oh, this is the visual report of the data set, which I have chose. And then the machine learning models which I have used here is like logic models such as like logistic regression, like decision trees and random forest and KNN and SVM, which were trained to predict the death variable among the all the. This is the death variable. This is the data set which I have used, and this is the death event variable which I this is the main variable which we used, and this this performance of the models was evaluated using the accuracy and confusion matrix. And here the random forest that the machine learning model, random forest, which provided the better prediction performance. This is how it demonstrates, like machine learning demonstrate like identifying the high risk patients among based on these particular features like which we have taken from the data set. These are the key variables of the distribution, like age, serum creatinine, and all the times, which used to predict how heart failure rate in the patients. Uh, this is the notable correlations where like we are doing like death event with serum creatinine, all this like how we are comparing everything based on the genders, age, and serum creatinine. And this is the EDA insights where we have the excellent data quality without any missing values, and and there is a strong predictors based on these particular factors, and there is a skewed distributions as well as a clinical patterns. So for this one in the future prediction, which helps in identifying the high risk patients and assist in the healthcare decision making for the doctors.
Okay, okay, nice. Which data set you are using?
So I was using heart failure clinical records data sets from Kaggle. So the
So is
Python
the
is
combination of the images or only test data?
test data only. So test data only. So here I have used the Python programming, which is easy to use and support the machine learning patterns as well. Yeah.
Any real-time outputs are there beyond the existing data sets? I mean, you shown me PDF file.
Mm-hmm.
Instead of that one, any existing is there?
Existing now, sure, sir. Whatever I do have, I've
Okay,
just
okay,
done
good,
it.
good, 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 good. No
Yes.
worries.
Right.
Very good topic, very nice topic. Okay, thank you
Yeah.
very much.
Yeah. Thank you.
Next one is